Hey there. So if you are looking to add a Google map to your HubSpot website content, which could be any of the blog pages, website pages, landing pages, all of these content puzzles, it could be any of these. You want to add an interactive Google map to this. Is it possible? Yes, it's easily possible. And today we are going to tell you all of the steps required to do the same. So guys, if I want to add my Google Maps code inside my HubSpot, so there are different places where I can do this, maybe inside the website pages, maybe inside a landing page, or maybe inside my blog post itself. So all of this can be done. Firstly, what you need to do is log into your HubSpot account and you will be greeted by the dashboard. Inside the new navigation, here, click on content. And maybe I want to add my map code firstly to my blog. So I click on blog over here. I'll be greeted by my different blog posts. I click on edit over here in any of the blog posts. And now, in order to get the map code, let's just open up maps.google.com. So once you open up Google Maps, maybe search for an area which you want to embed. So maybe I want to embed this place particularly. So once you are greeted by the place, finally click on share. And you would see that there is an option to embed a map. Click here. And here you can choose the size for the map. Maybe I want a large size, maybe I want a custom size. You can choose the size, then finally click on copy HTML and we don't need this tab anymore. Once we have copied the HTML, inside our blog post, maybe I want the map here. So I click on here, maybe give some space, click on insert, click on embed, and paste the embed code over here. And you can see this is what the preview would look like. Click on insert and you can see that our map is inserted inside the blog post. I click on update and the map would be live. Now, if I want to proceed further and maybe add this to something like my website pages, then I go back to content, then I go back to website pages. And here you can see that there are a lot of different website pages. Maybe I want to add this to this page, click on edit. Here in the website page section, you can see that this is something wherein I don't have a lot of content already. You can use the drag and drop builder in order to add something here. So I click on the plus icon. Here in the add to page section, maybe I search for something like rich text and I add this rich text module over here. Once this module is added, so you can click on the edit and expanded view, and this is what the content looks like in person in front of you. This is the what you see is what you get. We want to edit the HTML behind this. So I click on advanced, click on source code, delete all of these and paste my embed HTML for the maps code. Click on save changes and now the maps preview is showing up. I click on back to page and you can see that this is live. The map content is live inside that particular website page. So this is how it will be done. Now, if I want to add this to maybe something like a landing page, I click on exit, go back to content and click on landing pages. Here, there are a lot of different landing pages. Maybe I want to add this to this landing page. So a landing page would be slightly different beast because of the fact that there are no options to add any modules over here. So what can be done in this case is I click on settings and here I click on template and you can see that the template behind this page is what is powering every experience. So I click on edit this template. And once I click on edit this template, you can see that the form is coming from this particular code wherein the form is embedded from the JavaScript and everything. So maybe just before the slash body, I want to add my maps module. I paste the code here, click on publish changes. And inside my template itself, the maps embed code is live. If I want to customize the look of that thing further, I can wrap it in divs, add some fancy CSS to it, and all of that is possible. I go back to the page, I click close over here, I refresh this page and you would be able to see that the maps module is just right here and beneath the page. So it's added to the template itself. So guys, these were the ways how you can add map module inside HubSpot using the embed code, and this can be done very easily with just few steps. So guys, I hope this tutorial was really easy to follow, and in case you are running into any sorts of issues, feel free to comment down below and we'll be more than happy to help you. We at CT9 are always eager to assist you to build the project of your dreams, and you can reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And guys, I'll see you very soon in the next video.